Hello everyone, today I will show you how to draw this Auto CAD 3D model. This is tutorial number 12. Before we start the drawing, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. To draw this modeling, please open the Auto CAD. This is the Auto CAD 2017 version. And to draw the 3D modeling, choose the 3D modeling workspace in here. To draw the drawing, check unit UN, decimal precision 0.00 millimeters. Okay. And choose the dot view here. Then this is the radius 18 cycle. C for the cycle here, radius 18, and choose the 2D wireframe here to see clearly. Then radius 18. Now the offset distance is 46. Now CP for copy, select object, enter, click the base point to 46, enter. Then connect L line, click the quadrant to quadrant, and then again line, click the quadrant to quadrant here. Then trend command here, enter, click, and then the inside cycle is diameter 16 here. C for the cycle, click here, D for the diameter 16. Then C for the cycle, click here, D for the diameter 60. Okay, now you get it. Move to clearly. Auto off here. Okay, now choose the C isometrics U, just like that. Okay, and the height is 8 millimeters. Press pull command here, click to Z8, enter. Okay, now you get it. Then the 22 and 40, 10, you need to draw the box. Okay, 40, 10. Okay, here box command, click, that's 40, tab key 10, with it 10, and then height is 22, enter. Now move command, click, then the midpoint, choose the midpoint here to here. Now you get it. And then the 22 and this one should be diameter 3 zeros. C for the cycle here, D for the diameter 30, and then the center distance is 40. L for the line here, click to 40. Then and the width length is 40 here. So the divided by 2 is 20. So the right is 20. Then the length is 10 here. 10, 10. Okay, now the connect the cycle again, tangent, enter. Now the other side is okay, line, click here to 20 and 10 here, then the tangent, enter. Now trim command, enter, 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 enter. Erase command here. So now you use the sketch. You have the sketch, and the thickness is 10. Let's move command here. 10, enter. Now move here, enter, enter the midpoint here. Okay. Now erase the sketch, enter. Now you have a union. Now you get it, the solid one. And then you make the head. Head is this is 10 millimeter height. It's 30 C for the side gear. Here, hit the base point to D for the diameter 30 here, and then the height is 10. Sorry, erase. Now you get it, this head here, C for the side gear here, D for the diameter 30 here, then extrude, press boot to 20 here, enter. This is the 10, 10, 20. Now, and for the move command here, enter, enter to enter. Erase command here. Now you get it, union command here. Then make a hole, diameter 20. C for the side gear here, D for the diameter 20. Then press book command here to through. How you get it, just like that. And then you make this 3D parts, thread, and then the length is, you need to calculate the total. This radius 18 is diameter 36 minus 10, that should be 26. This length is will be 26. Okay. Now to draw this solid, now put it wet here. Then you 26 step. The width is 12, and the height is 22 plus 10, 32 here. Now 3D rotates this, what enter this, the base point, specify base point, and then choose the exit, choose this exit here. You can remove here, just like that here, click. Okay. Now move, and for the move here, the midpoint to that midpoint here. Now home union command here. Then choose the wireframe to realistics, and then for the mood, let's enter this point to this point. Then now you will have the erase the sketch. Now you get it, the complete drawing, save. Then to change the color, the backlight, and then color, choose the yellow, and ESC command. Now you get it, the complete drawing. Okay. Now thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial lessons.